Welcome back, and in this video we are going to be doing our winter 2024 to 2025 weather forecast. We will go over what to expect as far as temperatures, as far as precipitation, and winter storms and severe weather. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Looking at the sea surface temperature anomalies, look at how we have much cooler than normal water temperatures in the Pacific Ocean and then warmer than normal in the Atlantic. That is our La Niña weather pattern, which will play a massive role in our winter this year. As you can see on these weather models, La Niña is not expected to go away anytime soon. First, looking at the forecast made by the officials at the Climate Prediction Center. They are forecasting below normal temperatures as far as the Pacific Northwest and into the high plains. However, if you go to the southern United States and the eastern seaboard, you can expect above normal temperatures. Now, this does not mean that Arctic blasts will not happen. In fact, the jet stream will be very, very variable due to the La Niña. And then going over the seasonal precipitation outlook, they have below normal precipitation in the southern tier of the United States, and then above normal the Pacific Northwest and in the Midwest and Ohio Valley. Now to the graphics made by me in partnership with NextGen Weather. Now, our current weather pattern is warm air in the eastern United States with a ridge, and then cool air in the western United States. This cold front will plow through, producing severe weather across the plains. But as we head into winter, we will still be in this very flip-flop pattern. Temperatures will be very variable throughout this fall and winter, and will dramatically change very quickly whenever the cold front moves through. However, worth noting, climatologically, as we head into winter, this severe weather area will tend to shift towards Dixie Alley from eastern Texas over to Alabama and Georgia. However, as of now, most of the severe weather is going to be staying in the plains. I will keep you guys posted if any more significant changes occur. Moving on to our official winter weather forecast. I think that temperatures across the southeastern tier of the United States, as well as the southwestern tier of the United States, will be a little bit above average, and that the Pacific Northwest will be rather cold. As stated before, the temperatures will be very swiftly changing as any boundaries go through, as troughs, ridges, general weather patterns shift. Though put in average or even slightly above average temperatures, Arctic blasts can and will occur. Now, looking at our precipitation weather forecast, I think that the southeastern United States, the coastal northeast, and the Midwest will be getting much above normal precipitation. These areas will be wet due to clipper snowstorms, lake effect snow, severe weather, and even nor'easters. The Pacific Northwest will also be wet, with potentially very significant snow totals on multiple occasions, especially in higher elevations. And I think that the Southwest is going to be a little bit more on the dry side. Now, we do still have to talk about severe weather as winter comes in. Winter tends to be a little bit more active in the deep south, so Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi, Tennessee, Alabama, and Georgia need to be on high alert for significant severe weather events, especially as we head into February. Now, looking at the overall forecast, in the southeastern United States, it'll be wet just to their north across a lot of the eastern seaboard, across the mid-Atlantic and northeast. We'll have the potential for nor'easters, which could be snowstorms, rainstorms, ice storms, etc. Across the Great Lakes, lake effect snow will be a big issue this year, with very big Arctic blasts across much of the eastern half of the United States. Some of these areas could average out to above average temperatures, but I think that the Arctic blasts, when they do occur, will be particularly brutal. This is due to the fact that the troughs that we get will be very, very deep across the United States due to La Niña. Now, looking around the deep south, across eastern Texas, parts of Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, Tennessee, and Florida. These areas could be seeing severe weather events, especially with any cold fronts that go through, particularly late January and February. This will be especially common. Now, moving to the west across Texas, and then across the four corner states. It will be very warm, it'll be wet across California, and then across the Pacific Northwest, it'll be cool and wet. Goodbye, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. I do intend on being more active on all social media accounts, Twitter, Instagram, Threads, YouTube, etc. Bye!